Is this the correct grammar? Why? We tested that together. You and I are going to the party. Can you say I and you are going to the party? Can you switch them in English? Oh. Which one have you heard the most? Do you hear people say, you and I are going to the party, and say, I and you are going to the party? How often have you heard this? But in Sesotho, it's very, very common to hear people saying, Nalwen, Nalwen. Those ways of talking about the first and second person singular are very common. And now it is your job to find out how common it is in English to say I and you and I. And in case I confused anybody,